Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Rizwan from Tracks Pakistan, and today I'm going to share my 4 strategies through which I scored 8.5 bands in IELTS reading in my first attempt. And I hope if you follow these 4 strategies in your IELTS reading, you will also be able to score 8 plus, or if you are lucky enough to score 9 bands in IELTS reading. That is practically possible, by the way. So let's start. The first strategy that I opted for my IELTS reading was to manage my time effectively. In order to manage my time effectively, first of all, what I did was to differentiate the types of questions, and you need to do the same. You need to identify that there are 2 types of questions in IELTS reading. The first one is there are some questions which appear in a sequence, and there are other questions which are non-sequential questions and they do not appear in a sequence. You need to discover these types of questions and to deal with them accordingly. The second thing that you need to understand, which I practiced myself, was to understand the paragraph in the contextual manner rather than in a literal manner. And what is the difference between these two? When you try to understand each word written in the paragraph, you lost the whole crux of the paragraph. That is the approach of understanding the paragraph in a literal way. And when you try to grab the whole idea of the paragraph, of the main points which has been discussed in the paragraphs in IELTS reading, that is the contextual way. And I obviously opted for the contextual understanding of the paragraph, which helped me a lot. And specifically in identifying the paragraph's heading as well as the matching and the true, false, and not given type of questions. Third thing which I did, and I would suggest you all to do the same, is practice. Practice makes a man perfect, so you should do it, and by all means. And last but not the least, you should always proofread your work, whether you are in practice or whether you are in the final exam. I practiced so much and I was so good at time management that in my final exam, I even proofread my work. And I guess because of these 4 strategies, I was able to score 8.5 in IELTS reading at my first attempt. So this is for the reading strategies that I shared with you people. And if you want to ace your IELTS, you can join tracks as well as you can stay connected with us. Thank you very much.